Joining us now is Dr. Vin Gupta, a pulmonologist and assistant professor at the University of Washington. Good to see you, Dr. Gupta. Let me play for you what the president said about the virus last night.
I think we're going to be very good with the coronavirus. I think that at some point that's going to sort of just disappear, I hope.
You still believe so? Disappear?
Well, I do.
Okay, Dr. Gupta, how is that for a message to the country right now?
Good morning, Andrea. It's good to see you. You know, it's comments like that, coupled with Governor DeSantis back in May, that clip you showed. I mean, these are the wrong leaders for the moment. Governor DeSantis yelling at a reporter asking a reasonable question, now faced with facts that, in fact, he's dealing with one of the worst outbreaks we've seen in the country. He is the wrong leader for this moment. He's not doing the things, as is the president. They're not doing the things that they need to do. They're messaging in the wrong way. They're enabling people who distrust science, who don't want to wear a mask, to not do those things. They're the things that we're begging people to do. And that's the big problem here. Governor DeSantis is just acting irresponsibly. And he's trying to double down on things that he shouldn't double down on, because it's going to cost the lives of Floridians. When we talk about ICU beds, they're not even accurately reporting what ICU beds are actually open and closed. We talked about this, Andrea, even last week, that there's some degree of data manipulation. So we don't even know what their capacity is. And it's not even just beds, Andrea. It's about, do you have enough dialysis nurses, dialysis machines? That was the big issue in New York. Do you have enough docs and respiratory therapists? So much of a focus on beds. What about the human capital, the actual infrastructure to care for a patient? These are such COVID critically ill patients are sick, and they require a lot of attention. We need to keep an eye out on that. And so that's one. Two, when are we going to just get a nationwide mandate on masks with an enforcement on fines? I say this every single day. DeSantis is harming his citizens by not doing that, and he should be ashamed of himself. He needs to enact that now. And finally, indoor restaurant dining in places like Florida and Texas has to stop entirely now. Otherwise, a full shutdown's all but inevitable.
Hey there, I'm Chris Hayes from MSNBC. Thanks for watching MSNBC on YouTube. If you want to keep up to date with the videos we're putting out, you can click subscribe just below me, or click over on this list to see lots of other great videos.